Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can change the Shopify coming soon page. Let me show you what my coming soon page looks like right now. So this is the page in its default form. Now let's change some things. So for doing that, you will need an application that you have to add in your Shopify store. For doing that, just simply click on apps over here, then click on recommended apps. Now from there, just simply click on Shopify App Store down here. Now, after you're inside the Shopify App Store, just simply search for Pagefly, which you can see right over here. Just simply click on that. Open Pagefly, loading page builder over here. Then from there, just simply click on Add App. Now wait for a few seconds, and now you will be redirected back to your Shopify store. So over there, just simply click on Install App over here. Now you will be again redirected to your Pagefly dashboard. So over there, firstly, just simply click on Get Started. Now, next, just simply click on Pages, click on Password Pages over here. Now just simply click on Create from Template. So now over here you will find few different types of pages, like a countdown one, or under construction one, or again a countdown with the message one, or just simply a normal one. So just simply choose any one of them. So let's go with this one. Then just simply click on the template, or if you want to preview the template, just simply hover over the template and you will see preview. Just simply click on that, and then you can preview the template. So if you have opened the preview template, you can click on select this template over here, or if you haven't opened the preview, you can also do that from over here. So click on the template, then select template. Wait for a few seconds until it loads. Then if you don't have to do anything, just simply click on save up here. Or if you have a countdown one, just simply click on the center and choose the countdown box. Then over there you will find the end time. So just simply choose a time. Then after choosing all of that, just simply press OK, and your timer should start. And after the timer has been started, just simply click on save. Give it a name, let's say coming soon. Then just simply click on save the page. Then after that, just simply click on got it. Now if an autosave pop-up appears, just simply click on enable. Now after doing all of that, just simply click on publish, or click on the drop down box and click on save and publish. Then over here you will find the title and the URL. Then just simply click on publish. Then again, if you are using the free version, you will only have one chance to publish it. So after that, just simply click on publish and wait for a few seconds while it is publishing. And after you are done, just simply go back to your password side and just refresh this page, and you should have a newly appeared timer. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.